morning, everybody. It is the morning. Thus I said good morning. What is happening to my hair? Well, I'm not really sure what's happening today. I'm pretty sure we're going on a bus tour or something. We didn't really have any breakfast. I don't know if we're gonna have breakfast. Who knows? I don't know. That's okay. Just continue watching. How we ended up back in the Disney store, so we're on a bus tour. It hasn't started yet. So that's cool. We're sitting, it's a double-decker bus and we're sitting on the top.
If you want ready going to your listing, I got that. There is National Garden, there's Penn Plaza, and there's Penn Station. Doing it by hand. The billboard right there. They're doing it by hand. And then, check this out. And you missed it. Make stuff in the building and sell them in the stores. The building to the left. But wait a minute, guys. I got a better building. I got a better one. Look there to the right. The building has no windows. The building has no windows.
It's the Statue of Liberty in Ellis Island. But we're not going to Ellis Island, which is ironic because we have an Ellis here. I've got a chicken Caesar wrap. Ooh, delicious. I'm gonna eat it. It's pretty good. And then I've got a lemonade, which with a paper straw because save the turtles. It's really good. There's a squirrel carrying baby squirrels, and I thought it was eating a rat at first, but it was carrying a little baby squirrel and it was kind of cute. Why are there so many trash can squirrels? Are you getting food for your baby from the trash can? Why? It's the circle of life. So we're at this place called the Color Factory. It's like a modern museum, so I'm really excited. Chocolate sundae mochi. It's very interesting. It's good though. I'm gonna eat this now.
So there are 9 different flavors. I can recap them for you. We've got passion fruit, lemon, chocolate, vanilla, blue vanilla, praline. Pink is raspberry.
Around me are familiar.
I lost my sock. Yeah, it ate my sock. It's alright. Rip. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So when me and Ellis were messing around in the ball pit, I gave my dad my phone, and we just got out and we're standing on like hard ground, and he drops it. So that's great. Ew, what the heck?
Did you get that on your camera?
I hope I did. It is nearly 11 o'clock at night, and we just got dinner. I'm so tired. So please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Goodbye.